Do you know why an AI agent guesses instead of saying, "I don't know"? OpenAI research gives a clear answer. Standard training and evaluation often reward a lucky guess more than an honest expression of uncertainty. That incentive can turn a plausible sentence into a wrong decision, a false citation, or an unsafe action. You need a way to separate what the AI agent knows, infers, and cannot verify. This video builds an AI agent uncertainty and fact-check checklist. It helps you test answerability, set an evidence bar, and decide whether to answer, verify, clarify, or abstain. The core idea is simple. Do not ask only whether an answer sounds right. Ask whether the question is answerable, which claims carry risk, and what evidence would change the action. This video is packed with practical, high-value insights to help you get better at using AI. It's a longer one, so follow Tiny Agent and save it so you don't lose it. Start with the incentive. This chapter shows why a fluent AI agent can be rewarded for guessing even when it lacks the fact. During pre-training, a language model learns patterns from large collections of text. It sees fluent statements, but those statements do not arrive with a reliable true or false label attached to every claim. Frequent structured facts are easier to learn. Rare arbitrary facts, such as an obscure birthday or document title, may have no useful pattern that lets the model reconstruct the missing truth. Post-training should reduce these errors, but many evaluations still score only exact accuracy. A correct guess earns a point, while "I don't know" receives nothing. If a model guesses a birthday, it has a 1 in 365 chance of being right. Abstaining guarantees no accuracy point, even though it avoids a confident falsehood. OpenAI's simple QA example makes the trade-off visible. One model reached 22% accuracy with 26% errors and 52% abstentions. Another reached 24% accuracy but 75% errors and almost never abstained. So accuracy alone hides the cost of failure. A reliable AI agent score should penalize confident errors more than honest uncertainty and reward appropriate clarification or abstention. Chapter recap. First, fluent generation does not attach a truth label to every claim. Second, accuracy-only scoring rewards lucky guesses. Third, reliable evaluation must price confident errors above uncertainty. Before checking an answer, check the question. This chapter helps the AI agent decide whether a reliable answer is possible with the available information. Ask 4 things. Is the request specific? Is the required information available? Is the fact stable enough to answer from memory? And can the result be checked before action? A missing date, unclear entity, or ambiguous term is not a reasoning challenge. It is a clarification problem, and the AI agent should ask for the detail that changes the answer. Current prices, laws, schedules, account state, and private records are answerable only through live or authorized evidence. Without that access, the correct state is unknown. Some questions are inherently underdetermined. If several answers fit the prompt, the agent should state the ambiguity and offer the smallest useful choice instead of inventing hidden intent. For a low-risk brainstorming prompt, an approximate answer may be useful. For a factual claim that will drive money, health, access, or publication, the evidence bar must be much higher. Abstention is not a failure when the requested truth cannot be determined. It is a controlled result that protects the user and tells the system what information or tool is missing. Chapter recap. First, test specificity, availability, freshness, and verifiability. Second, turn missing context into a clarification request. Third, treat a justified unknown as a valid controlled outcome. Once the question is answerable, make uncertainty visible. This chapter turns one polished response into facts, inferences, and unknowns the viewer can inspect. Mark direct facts as facts only when the agent has supporting evidence. Mark conclusions as inferences when they combine evidence with assumptions or judgment. Use explicit language such as confirmed, supported but incomplete, inferred, or unknown. Avoid vague hedges that sound cautious without telling the user what is missing. Confidence should follow evidence coverage, not the smoothness of the prose. A beautiful answer based on one weak source remains weak. A short answer with direct records may be strong. Do not invent precise confidence percentages unless the system is actually calibrated for that task. A number like 87% can create false precision and hide the real evidence gap. Attach each important claim to the evidence that supports it. If the evidence covers only part of the claim, narrow the claim instead of stretching the citation. End uncertainty with an action, verify one source, request one missing field, run one check, or stop the high-risk action. The user should know what would resolve the unknown. Chapter recap. First, separate confirmed facts, inferences, and unknowns. Second, base confidence on evidence coverage, not fluent wording. Third, Pair every important unknown with the next action. Not every sentence deserves the same effort. This chapter shows where the AI agent must spend verification time before a claim becomes an action. Start with consequence. Verify claims that can move money, change access, affect safety, create legal exposure, damage a reputation, or become difficult to reverse. Prefer the primary source closest to the fact, the database for account state, the official policy for a rule, the original paper for a result, and the actual artifact for work completion. Then seek independent corroboration when one source can be stale, biased, incomplete, or misread. 2 pages repeating the same unsupported statement are not 2 independent sources. Match evidence to the exact claim. A source that proves a product exists does not prove it has a specific feature, and a study in one controlled setting does not prove the same result everywhere. Check date, scope, entity, units, and exceptions. Many confident errors come from a true fact attached to the wrong time, person, market, or condition. Finally, place a human approval gate before irreversible action. The agent can collect evidence and propose a decision, but high-impact execution needs explicit authorization. Chapter recap. First, spend verification effort according to consequence. Second, use primary evidence and independent corroboration. Third, require human approval before irreversible action. Now combine the method into one reusable AI agent uncertainty and fact-check checklist you can use before accepting a factual answer. Step 1 is answerability. Record the exact question, entity, time range, required freshness, available tools, and the missing detail that would block a reliable answer. Step 2 is claim inventory. Split the response into consequential claims and label each one confirmed, inferred, or unknown. Ignore harmless style choices and focus on statements that can change a decision. Step 3 is evidence standard. For each important claim, name the acceptable primary source, the freshness limit, and whether independent corroboration is required. Step 4 is verification. Open the evidence, match it to the claim, check scope and exceptions, and record the result. A citation is useful only when it supports the words you plan to rely on. Step 5 is action risk. Decide whether the result may proceed automatically, needs clarification, requires human approval, or must stop because evidence is missing. Step 6 is feedback. Save the failed claim, missing tool, or misleading score as a future test so the AI agent and its evaluation improve together. Chapter recap. First, test answerability and inventory consequential claims. Second, define and verify the evidence standard. Third, connect uncertainty to an action gate and a future test. AI agent hallucinations are not only a mysterious glitch. They arise when uncertain generation meets incentives that reward an answer more than an honest unknown. First, check whether the question is answerable before judging the response. Second, separate confirmed facts, inferences, and unknowns. Third, verify high-risk claims with direct evidence and independent corroboration. Use the AI agent uncertainty and fact-check checklist to set the evidence bar, choose the action gate, and preserve failures as future tests. The goal is not to make the AI agent sound less confident. It is to make confidence earn its right to drive a decision. Follow Tiny Agent. Tiny Agent helps you get better at using AI.